I'm at the biggest tech event in Asia, COMPUTEX 2024 in Taiwan. We're diving into MSI's massive booth to check out some GPUs, motherboards, AIO coolers, monitors, AI. And I'll be featuring two products from each price range, the MAG, the MPG, and the MEG. And trust me, you want to hear what MSI have in store in the MAG highest price range. It's gonna blow your mind. The first product will be the Mac called Liquid A series AIO cooler. The highlight is actually their new easy assembly bracket that takes both AMD and Intel all in one. So if you change from Intel to AMD and you didn't keep your box or your bracket, no problem, you can use it, same. The next MAG product is their motherboards, the X870, the Tomahawk, which is the black stealth version, and the P series is the silver version for the white build.
And both motherboards bring in Wi-Fi 7 technology, bringing a faster and more reliable wireless connection, improving online games and streaming experience. There's also built-in 5G LAN, so you enjoy ultra-fast and stable wired internet connection.
The first product from the MPG is the 341CQPX QD OLED. I'm not gonna remember that, man. Not in a million years. So the two main upgrades from the previous model is one updated refresh rate of 240 Hz and a 98 watt Type-C behind. So you can charge your phone with ease. The next product from the MPG series is the called Liquid P series. Just now was A, now it's P. The upgraded version. You get a screen that's movable, but the thing that really helps PC builders is the all-in-one cable. You have the Type-C to the motherboard and it controls the power, the lighting, the screen, the pumps. But if you're using a compatible MSI motherboard, you don't even need a Type-C to waste one inputs on your motherboard. You can use their own cable to control everything. That's all you need, one cable to control everything. No more 3 million cables to power your AIO cooler. The first MEG product will be a PC. I mean, I gotta feature one PC, right? An all MSI built PC, high range. You got the new case, Maestro 700 LPZ, that features glass that bends. It's a new trend here in COMPUTEX. You have the MAG Z790 Ace Max, running at i9 14900K, the Core Liquid S360 AIO cooler, and one of MSI's new GPU models, the Expert. This is a 4080, but there's a 4090 that's liquid cooled. I'll feature that in a shot. Definitely, if you're looking for all MSI PC that's slick, black, and big, this is it. Okay, last one. So the next MEG product is the 321URX QD OLED. There's an AI chip in the monitor. So this AI will not mess with any of your PC components, so no performance hit there. The main goal is to detect UI on your game. So at the moment it's a Monster Hunter, and for example, ammunition. You can see the light at the bottom. This is to indicate ammunition. So if I shoot, the light goes down. And when you hit a 30%, lower than 30%, it will start blinking to remind you to reload. Even though this might be quite like that only. But you just think what kind of innovations can come when you detect the health bar, whether it's the kind of monsters. I believe that in the future there can be a lot of applications. Maybe stats for the monsters in the game. Give stats, I don't know, it's just AI detecting your screen, which is, I think, pretty awesome. One more bonus product is the Supreme Fusion. This is the RTX 4090 and it looks like any regular GPU. Why am I featuring this? This is actually an AIO. A lot of brands do create AIO GPU versions, models, but it's always, the radiator is always connected to the back or even the front, leaving less space for airflow. But MSI has designed a GPU where the radiator is right below the GPU. So with this design, you can compact everything in a somewhat small form factor. Not really small, but at least it's better, you know what I mean? But you can see the section, the model, how it's designed like the radiator. I'm not sure if it's two small radiators or one 240 radiator. But the thing is, because it's shorter tubes, the pressure of the water can be a lot higher than normal. Yeah. And that's it for the coverage for the MSI booth. Massive, there's a lot I haven't covered, but I'm managing. Cool GPU, ending the video off. Thank you so much, MSI. Just let me know, comment in the comment section, what do you all want to see, or what do you have any questions, or what you all think about the AI, or the new AIO GPU. There's so much. I'm having fun. I'm done.